Hello viewers, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how we can use Google Drive from our smartphone for the purpose of scanning of different pages. Most of the smartphones have PDF scanner installed in it, but sometimes if we are not having softwares such as Scam Scanner or Adobe Scanner or any other document or PDF scanner, then in such cases we can use our Google Drive for the purpose of scanning of different types of pages. And in this video I will show you how we can use Google Drive for scanning our pages. So here I am clicking and opening Google Drive in my smartphone. Now here you can see at bottom right corner plus sign is there. I will click on that plus sign and it is now showing create new options, and here you can see third option is scan. So here I will click now on scan option. Now it will open my camera, and here you can see I am having this page and I want to scan it. So I will just adjust my camera and I will simply take the photograph of this page. Now you can see after taking photograph it is saying me to click on OK. Now you can see my first page is there. Here you can see different options are there. So this second option is for color. Here black and white option is selected by default. If I click on none, then you can see my original image is there. Now if I want to save this scanned page in my Google Drive, then I can simply click on save button, or if I want to add few more pages, then I can click on this plus sign which is shown at left bottom corner. So now to add one more page, I will click on this plus sign and again it will open my camera. In the same way we need to take the photograph, and now again it will show us to click on OK. Now after clicking on OK, I will select the color as none. Now you can see my original color is there. Now if I want to add more pages, then again I can click on this plus sign and I can start adding pages. Whenever I finished with scanning, I will simply click on this save option. Now you can see it is showing me save to drive option. Here I can give title to this document. So I will just give title scanned document. Now it is asking us to save in our Google Drive. So I will simply click on save option, and now you can see your one file is being uploaded. Now I will click on these three lines present at left side and I will click on select option. I will click on this recent option. Now you can see my scanned document has been uploaded. Timing is there 3:42. So I will click on that PDF and you can see now my PDF has been successfully uploaded on my Google Drive. So in this way we can scan our documents if we are not having any particular document scanner in our phone. Now if I want to download this document to my phone, so here you can see at right hand side three dots are there. I will click on these three dots and here you can see download option is available. Now within few seconds my PDF file will be downloaded in my mobile, and that file can now be shared via different social media or Gmail. So in this way we can use Google Drive for the purpose of scanning of our document in the form of PDF. Thank you.